What do you like to say at 5 in the morning when Daddy's asleep? Exactly. Do you do it once? Or do you do it lots of times?
Hey, Karoo. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Who's there, you say? Banana. Banana.
I'm gonna eat your shoulder.
Oh, I'm gonna eat the blanket.
What a little ham.
I'm gonna scream into my blanket. Oh, I'm just gonna eat
What
it.
sound do you make when Daddy's asleep?
That sound.
Exactly. Do it again. What sound do you say when Daddy's asleep? Daddy loves it. Yeah. Especially at 4:30 in the morning. Ooh.
You're choking on all that saliva.